Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated to my latest videos.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the world of Canva, the ultimate tool for all your design needs. But we are not just talking about any ordinary features. We are exploring the top trending Canva apps that are taking the design world by storm. Whether you are a seasoned designer or just getting started, these apps will revolutionize the way you create stunning visuals. So grab your copy, get comfortable, and let's unlock the full potential of Canva together. First app that we are going to explore is Type Extrude. This is an amazing app that adds depth and dimension to your text, making your designs pop like never before. So let's click on it and click Use in New Design. Now you need to select a custom size. Let's say 1200 by 1200 and then create new design. Once the app is loaded, type your text here. Then you can select your font from this drop-down list. Once you have selected your font, select the alignment, whether you need it centralized, left align or right align. Select the line height, border width, angle, length, colors, and then you can also select a dark or lighter background from here. You can see the preview in this box. Now if you want to change the color, you can select a different color from here. After adjusting all alignments, you can click on Add to Design. As you can see, this app has added a depth and dimension to your text. You can just increase or decrease the size, and you can just play around this app to create more text styles. Let's move on to the other app. Next app is Font Frame. By using this application, you can insert different images inside your text. So let's try. Click on it, then click Use an existing design. Just wait for a while to load the application. Once the app is loaded, you can add your text in this box here. After adding the text, you can select your file from Choose File, and you can also use selected image. In the settings box, you can select any font style, alignment, outline thickness, letter spacing, and line spacing. You can also move this image like this to adjust it inside the text. Now click on Add to Design. As you can see, it has added this image inside your text like this, and it looks amazing. You can also try another image. You can also move this image like this to adjust it, then click Add to Design. As you can see, it has added this image inside your text like this. So it looks amazing. Now you can try adding different images inside your text to make them more appealing. Let's move to another app. Our next app is a Speed Painter. Click on it. By using this app, you can just create drawing animations in moments. This application uses AI to convert your images into engaging speed drawings with a single click. Once this application is loaded, you can just select your image from Choose File. Once your image is selected, select the sketch duration. If you want to fill the color in the sketch, then you can enable Fill with Color. Otherwise, you can just keep it disabled. Then click on Generate. Once the video is done, click on Add to Design. You can increase or decrease the size of this video as well. And now play it. As you can see how professionally it has converted this image into the speed drawing. So by using this application, you can create different whiteboard animations using Canva. Let's move on to the other app. So next application is Gradient Generator. By using this app, you can create different gradients for your elements and designs. So let's start. Click Use in New Design. Select a custom size. Create new design. Once the application is loaded, you can select your gradient colors from here. If you want to lock the color palette, you can just enable this option. Otherwise, you can just keep it disabled. you can just adjust the noise level from here. Once you will click on randomize, you will get different variations of the gradient. Once you get your desired gradient, you can just click on add to design. You can resize it very easily. In this way, you can create different gradients for your graphics using this application. Now, next application is Typecraft. Using this application, you can customize your text, bend it, wrap it, twist it, and then you can just come up with unique text for your creations. Alright, so first you need to type your text here. After that, select a font style. Then you can select an style from here, none, unfilled or outline. Select the color from here. If you want any mirror points, then you can just select from here, like this one is no mirror, horizontal or vertical. So to adjust the shape of the text, you can edit it in this preview video. You can just play around it and make different shapes. Once you have finalized your text style, you can click on Add Element to Design. I have created an amazing shape of my text very easily using this application. So this application is completely free and it is very useful to create different styles of your text that will make your design more appealing. Our next application is Colorize. Using this application, you can bring life into your old images by adding vibrant colors. So once your application is loaded, you can select your image and then you can click on Colorize Image. Just wait for a while and it will add colors to your image very professionally. So as you can see, this is the actual image. And this one is the colorized image. Now naturally it has added the colors to this image. That's amazing. Let's try another image. Now click Colorize Image. Wow, that's amazing. Unbelievable. Let's compare this with the actual image. So this one is the actual image and this one we have created using this Colorize application. You can see how professionally and naturally it has added the colors to this image. So this application is very useful and you can use it to bring new life to your images. Same Maker. Using this application, you can just generate custom frames. Once this application is loaded, you can just adjust the size and shape of this frame like this. If you want to remove a point, you can just click on this point and click on Remove Point. If you want to add a new point, you can create a new point by double-clicking anywhere, like this. You can move the points like this. You can also create a design and you can also convert a design from here, like this. By using this option, you can convert any design into a Canva frame with Frame Maker. You can increase or decrease grid columns from here. If you want grid snapping, then you can enable or disable this from here. You can also have some pre-designed frames from here as well. And then you can just change them as per your need. Once your frame is ready, you can just click on Add to Design, increase or decrease the size, and then you can just drag and drop your images inside this frame like this. So this application is very useful for creating customized frames. Another application is Image Animate. By using this application, you can just animate your images very easily. So let's get started. Now first of all, in your design, you need to upload an image. That image will appear inside this box automatically. You can select the motion range from here, select the motion length, number of loops, whether you want AI motion or parallax motion, you can select it from here. So here I will select parallax motion. Now you can select any camera path of your desire and click generate. Once your animation is ready, you can just click on Add to Design. After adding video to the design, you can just resize it very easily. Just wait to load the complete video. Once the image is loaded, you can just click on play button. As you can see, it has added a parallax effect to the image and now it looks like an animated video. So just like that, you can add different styles of parallax animations to your images very easily. Now let's move on to the another app. Our next app will turn your photos into a 3D block artwork. So just select this one and click on Use in New Design. Just wait to load the app. Once the app is loaded, you need to select the image. Now it will start converting your image into a block art. Just wait for a while. and it will convert your image into a block art very easily. Now you can just increase the size and just have a look. How amazing this is! So let's compare the actual image with this block art. Now you can see how professionally it has converted this image to a block art. Alright, now let's move on to the another app. So our next application is Image Upscaler. By using this application, you can just upscale your images and increase their resolution. Here you need to select the upscale amount. 2x, 3x, 4x and 8x and click on upscale image. Then let's see what will be the result of this image here. As you can see, it has upscaled this image like this. Now click add to the design. So this is the upscaled image. Alright, so let's compare between the actual image and the upscaled image. There is a clear difference between both of these images. So this is a very useful application that you can use to upscale your images. And there you have it, our top 10 Canva apps of 2024. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your fellow designers and subscribe to the channel for more awesome content.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. Thanks again, and I will see you in the next video.